Guys, I want to show you what I got here. I got some new. Well, I'm gonna be replacing these turn signal lights right here. Let me show you what they look like. Okay. This is what they look like. Now I'm probably gonna get started here soon in a little bit, but right now I gotta go make some quick errands, but I'll see you after the installation. Alright, take care. Alright guys, I'm happy to say that my new 2010 chrome style headlights have came in today, and I'll just do a quick unboxing to show you guys what they look like. Okay. Alright. Yeah, these are nice. Projector style, chrome, much needed improvement. Definitely much better than the stock lights. Now, yeah, I still gotta replace the park lights too. But now, let me go get these replaced as quickly as possible, and I'll get right back with y'all. Alright guys, I'm proud to say that I got the new headlights and blinker lights installed. And man, they look nice too. I've already aimed them and all, so they're pretty much good to go. The only thing I gotta do now is the fog lights. Well, I'm probably gonna take out my HIDs on the fogs and just replace them with the halogen bulbs for now, until I can figure out how to put HIDs on the new headlamps. I mean, if anybody has any ideas on how to do it, yeah, let me know. I can never get tired of that sound. So if you're new to my channel, be sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And I gotta go right now. I gotta start getting ready for work. But anyways, peace out, y'all.